there guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Basha and we're back at it again for another review. And for today's video, I believe nakita nyo na yan sa title. So if you are interested to know more about this product, definitely keep on watching. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
So again mga sis, if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and like this video. So yes, for our today's video, I believe nakita nyo na yun sa title, and I know that you are interested to know more about this product. So mga besh, hindi na tayo magpapatumpik-tumpik pa at ipapakita ko na sa inyo ang product na i-review natin for today. And by the way, before we move on, well, patumpik-tumpik pa, no? But before you move on to that, yun sa product na i-review natin, I just want to share with you guys, backstory lang tayo mga besh, no? Very, very light. So, as you can notice, meron pa rin tayo mga chismis dyan, but I just wanted to emphasize this with you guys kasi this has been an issue for almost or running 2 months na for me. Yung skin type ko naman kasi, nagkaka-pimples ako pero nawawala rin agad. Kasi gano'n naman talaga, diba? Nawawala rin sila agad. Kasi gano'n naman talaga, diba? Nawawala rin sila agad. But, anyway, so going back, ayun nga, nagkaroon ako ng pimples, naging grabe siya, like, literal, na hindi ko in-expect at hindi ko kinaya. Kasi nga, hindi naman ako yung tipo ng, yung face ko, yung situation naman sa face ko is, carry bells lang naman siya. Parang carry naman siyang gamutin or minsan nawawala siya for after a week or 2. At least, ganun yung nangyayari sa face ko pag nagkakaroon ako ng pimple. Pero besh, this one, start siya no November. Doon talaga nag-start lahat. Naging grabe siya. Naging ang lala. Grabe, ang lala talaga. Like, hindi ko siya ina-expect. Kasi nga parang, for me, hindi naman normal sa akin yung ganitong tipo ng pimples. So, nung napansin ko na parang mas lumalala siya every day. First 2 weeks, parang binaliwala ko lang. Parang feeling ko, ay hindi mo, wala rin naman yan agad. Besh, lumala talaga siya na lumala. Tapos, as in, may mga bumps. So, ayun, dun talaga ako na kinabahan na ako na parang sabi ko, what's going on? Kasi parang hindi siya normal for me. So, ayun lang naman yung story kung bakit ako nag-share ng mga possible way para din matanggal yung mga chismis dyan sa festlock natin. And I was so stressed by the month of November. So, possible na yun din yung reason kung bakit talaga lumala yung pimples ko. So, it really depends naman sa kondisyon ng katawan mo and events na nangyayari talaga sa life mo, kung stress ka ba, which we know for a fact na, you know, yung stress sobrang nakaka-cause din siya ng pimples and everything. But by the way guys, backstory lang naman yun kung bakit ako nag-start na talagang, you know, i-push na to. So for me, na makatulong na rin ng some tips kung paano nyo matatanggal yung mga pimples at mga chismis dyan sa festlock nyo. Tumuyan. By the way guys, just a disclaimer, I'm no professional pagdating sa mga ganitong kineme. Yung mga products na ginamit ko at bibigyan ko ng review, I just wanted to tell you guys na hindi ako professional pagdating sa ito. So, we have different skin types, you know, girl. So, probably, yung mga products na ginamit ko, nag-work siya for me. Probably, it might work on you, but again, that I cannot guarantee. So, ayun lang. Siset ko lang naman yung proper expectations sa inyo. So, ayun. I'm gonna show you some clips ng mga products na ginamit ko, and from the day 1, so mga sis, eto na yung current situation ng face natin. So nakikita nyo yung mga pimples tayo dito and here. So this is gonna be the first day I'll be using the bentonite clay from, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but I hope I am. Pero Luxe Organix, that's the product that I'll be using. It's gonna be the first time that I'll be using that. So let's see what's gonna happen. Papakita ko sa inyo later. So ayun mga sis, andito na ulit ako and apply ko na siya. And yung measurement niya tsaka yung mga tools na ginamit ko, I actually got it from Mumuso. So ito yung nalagyan niya. Meron na siyang kasamang pang measure. And yung measurement nung na nilagay ko nung clay mask is yung number 5. Yan. So yun yung number 5. 1:1. So 1 scoop ng clay mask and 1 ito din, same. Ito rin yung gagamitin mo for apple cider. And by the way, I actually use apple cider for this. And ito siya. Ito yung applicator niya. And ito yung mixing bowl niya. Masasabi ko lang, grabe. Sobrang ibang-iba siya sa yung sa mismong Aztec clay. Kasi, as you can see, medyo nag-absorb na siya and nafe-feel ko na siya, nagtatight siya sa skin ko. And one thing I actually noticed is yung paglagay, hindi ko na video yung pag-mixture ko nung apple cider and yung clay mask, but hindi siya nagsisisal katulad nung sa Aztec. Yung apple cider, let's admit, sobrang hindi siya maganda sa pang-amoy, right? And actually, I'm so sorry, medyo nag-struggle ako makahinga. Kasi, yun nga, yung una ko napansin, pag-apply ko pa lang sa skin ko or sa face ko, nung mismong clay, mas matapang siya compare sa yung Aztec clay. So, medyo mas, pag ina-apply mo siya sa skin mo, mas pansin or mas ramdam na ramdam mo yung apple cider, mas matapang siya. So, ayun. So, we'll be back within 15 minutes. So, wala pa naman siyang 15 minutes. And, grabe, mas mabilis siyang matuyo. As you can see, kaka-apply ko lang yan, pero natutuyo na agad siya. So, I don't know if that's a good thing or not, but let's see. We'll find out. You know, guys, if you can see that, but look at that. My eyes are already crying and medyo natutuyo na siya, konti na lang. I think this part na lang. I can't take it. I mean, I don't know. Yung situation natin after nating rinse yung mask, I can see na sobrang ang sarap niya sa feeling. But of course, as you can see, nagre-red and you know, grabe, sobrang naiiyak na yung mata ko kanina, my gosh. Tapos yan, so let's see what's gonna happen. So ayun guys, by the way, I'll be using this Nivea Micellar Acne Clear. And that's after, kasi after nating rinse yung bentonite clay, isusunod natin to toner. Susunod natin tong Luxe Organix. Oh, hindi siya nagpo-focus. Okay. So, ayan, Luxe Organic Miracle Repair Serum. So, this is a 1-drop miracle. This is niacinamide, 2%. Actually, I'm not sure kung ano yun. But, it says here that this is enriched with licorice extracts that help fade dark spots and pigmentation caused by acne, while increases collagen product to help improve skin's barrier. So, andyan. Kapag bumili kayo, mababasa nyo yun dito. So, technically, parang ito yung serum na gagamit natin para mawala na yung mga chismis na yan, diba? So, ayun yung gagamitin ko. Tingnan natin kung mag-work siya para maalis na yung mga chismis sa mukha natin. So, let's find out. By the way, guys, it says here na kapag gagamitin mo siya after your toner and before your heavy cream. So, we'll use this. Oh, wow. Ayan. So, ganito yung applicator niya. Actually, mabango siya. Nice yung, amoy niya. So, dito sa mga maraming chismis. Hey guys, so ayan, ito na yung kalagayan ng ating face, ng mga face lock natin. So, ito, kakatapos ko lang maghilamos, nabigyan na ng mga serum and cream and mga kung anik-anik na skincare natin. Hindi ko na lang pinakita. Kasi itong mga ito, wala na itong bump. So, again, this is day 6. Oh my gosh! Alam nyo guys, tuwing lumalabas talaga ako, hindi ko alam bakit parang tuwing madudumihan yung mukha ko, tuwing may expose yung mukha ko sa dirt. Ayan, ganyan siya. Nakakaloka. So, eto, nagkaroon ako ng panibagong bump here. Hi, good morning! So, today is December 5th, Thursday. And I'm gonna show you something guys. So, oh my gosh, sobrang hindi ko ina-expect to. Like, I can't. Oh. Okay. So, apparently, something happened. I'm not sure what's gonna happen or anong gagawin ko talaga. Like, I don't know, honestly. But, apparently, okay.
Oh no!
Oh my gosh! Namagay yung mukha ko. So, ayun, I have an issue with one of my ngipin here sa taas. I don't know what to do. Alam mo, yung nagbe-break out ka na, tapos nagkakaganito pa yung mukha mo. My gosh! What's going on? Hey guys, good morning. So, today is December 7th. This is just an update for you guys. Nakakaloka lang kasi hindi ako makapag-vlogmas kasi nga hindi ako masyadong pwedeng magsalita kasi may irritate siya, namamaga. Medyo nagsasubside naman na yung pamamaga niya, which is good. I'm taking meds. So, ngayon, December 7, dapat ngayon yung binyag nung anak ng friend ko. Beb, I'm so sorry, hindi ako nakapunta kasi hindi siya pwedeng matagtag. Oh no! Ako, may stress lang siya, mas lalo siyang mamaga. Today is December 12th. And it's just a quick update for our situation sa mga chismis sa mukha natin. Nagkakaligo ko lang. Wala pa akong nilalagay na kahit ano sa mukha ko so that you can see it fresh. Ayan. So, eto na siya. In all fairness guys, grabe. So, ayan. So, hindi na siya masyadong visible. Kung mapapansin nyo. Sobrang naglalay talaga siya. In all fair. Pero, yung iba dyan actually bago na. Like here. Ito bago to eh. But, yung other spots, like, yung mga dati, yung dinatry nating i-cure, ayan, sobrang okay na siya. Like, super nag-light na siya. And, grabe. Hindi talaga ako amazed talaga ako.
One eternity later.
Hey guys, and this is just another clip for an update for you guys. So today's December 18 and this is gonna be the 3rd week of our test for our product, which is the Luxe Organix Miracle Repair Serum 1 drop. So as you can see, this is gonna be an update for our face and yeah, so that's it. Ito, yan na siya. I have nothing sa mukha ko. Wala akong nakalagay na kahit ano. Yan. Para lang fresh look nyong makita. So, ito, papakita ko lang din sa inyo ng merong light. Magandang lighting. So, ayan siya. Ayan, yung mga chismis. Let's see our final thoughts. So, in my experience or in my entire experience with all these products that I mentioned, sobrang na-appreciate ko talaga tong Miracle Repair. This one really, oh my gosh. this one really helped me a lot, especially sa sitwasyon na nangyari sa akin, sa mukha ko. So, one thing I've actually learned with that experience of mine, actually up until now, I'm still working on it, is to really love your skin. I realized this before already, but this time, mas deeper connection with my skin. Kasi parang you don't really have to take advantage of your skin because sometimes you are not giving the right amount of attention to your skin. Sometimes probably kaya siya nagkakaganyan. It's trying to get your attention to really take care of your skin. So that's one thing I realized. And with all the products that I mentioned, sobrang super talaga ako sa Luxe Organix. Thank you so much. I wanted to say thank you for creating all these great products. Bow down. Never akong binigo ng products ng Luxe Organix, and from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much sa lahat ng products na ginagawa nyo for us people to really look good and feel good about our skin, and to give the proper nourishment of our skin to glow differently, right? So yeah, that's just my experience. So if you guys have any questions or follow-up questions, please comment down below, and I'll post everything dun sa mga stuff na ginagamit ko sa description box. So yeah, that's it, and that's a wrap, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. And if you have any suggestion or products na pwede kong bigyan ng review, please do let me know. And yeah, just please do not forget to subscribe on my channel and like this video. So again, thank you so much for watching, and this is your girl Basha Stevens. Paalam.